How can you harness the power of amethyst for life balance with HotShellow? Are you feeling out of sync with life's rhythm? Is the stress of your day-to-day responsibilities weighing you down? Don't fret, we've got a solution. Today, we'll introduce you to the healing power of amethyst and how you can integrate it into your life with HotShellow. Life is a complex journey filled with different stages, each with unique challenges and experiences. As we move from childhood to adulthood, we encounter various pressures and responsibilities that often disrupt our life's rhythm, leading to stress and anxiety. Many of us find it difficult to navigate these pressures and maintain a balance between personal and professional life. In the midst of the stresses and challenges that life's journey brings, there exists a potent natural remedy that has been cherished and utilized for centuries: the amethyst. This stunning purple gemstone is much more than a feast for the eyes. It stands as a beacon of tranquility, a lighthouse guiding us through the tumultuous sea of life's challenges and uncertainties. The amethyst is known for its potent healing properties and has been celebrated throughout history and across various cultures as a powerful tool for soothing the mind, alleviating stress, and promoting emotional balance. Its calming energy acts like a gentle whisper in the chaos, a subtle reminder for us to slow down, take a deep breath, and realign with our inner peace. It encourages us to step back from the hustle and bustle of life and reconnect with our inner selves, thereby fostering a sense of tranquility and serenity. In terms of energy work, the amethyst, with its soothing shades of purple, is often associated with the third eye and crown chakras, the energy centers in our body that are intimately connected with intuition, spiritual awareness, and higher consciousness. These chakras play a crucial role in our spiritual growth and emotional well-being. When these chakras are in balance, we experience clarity of thought, focus, and a deeper understanding and control of our emotions. The amethyst serves as a conduit for positive energy, aligning these chakras and helping us gain a clearer perspective, focus our thoughts, and understand our emotions on a deeper level. Its energy is akin to a spiritual balm, a soothing salve that eases our anxieties, calms our worries, and helps us navigate the rhythm of life with grace, serenity, and a sense of calm assurance. But the amethyst's calming energy doesn't just stop at soothing our minds, it also permeates our surroundings, creating an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. Whether it's worn as a piece of jewelry or placed in a room, the amethyst radiates its calming energy, subtly influencing our mood and emotions, and fostering a sense of peace and well-being. In essence, the amethyst serves as a gentle reminder of the need for balance and harmony in our lives. It encourages us to slow down, to breathe, and to reconnect with our inner selves amidst the chaos of life. It's a testament to the power of nature and the healing energy it holds, a beacon of tranquility guiding us through life's tumultuous sea. Now, imagine having this healing power at your fingertips, crafted into a piece of jewelry that's not just a fashion statement, but a personal talisman of peace. This is where HotShellow comes into the picture. HotShellow is a natural gemstone jewelry brand that focuses on customizable positive energy. Each piece is crafted as a testament to the harmony of nature and personal expression, designed to bring balance, energy, and style to your spiritual journey. Our amethyst jewelry, for instance, is more than just an accessory. It's a personal amulet that carries the calming energy of amethyst, helping you stay balanced and serene amidst life's ups and downs. At HotShellow, we deeply believe in the power of nature to heal, uplift, and inspire. Our jewelry is not just about aesthetics, it's about imbuing your life with positive energy, balance, and a sense of harmony. With each piece, we aim to transform your spiritual journey into a unique, joyful, beautiful, and highly personalized experience. In conclusion, the amethyst serves as a powerful tool to navigate life's challenges and find balance. By incorporating HotShellow's amethyst jewelry into your life, you can harness the gemstone's healing power, imbuing your life with positive energy, balance, and harmony. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content about harnessing nature's healing power. Share your thoughts and experiences with amethyst in the comments below. If you're interested in HotShellow's amethyst jewelry, visit our official website for more information. Together, let's create a more harmonious and balanced world.